Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro. And to begin, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, try to find Google Classroom. Now select this app, install it. When it's ready, click on the Open. Click on Get Started. Select the email address for your account or add another one. Then select this plus button, join your class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.